In this exercise, you will learn about the working of photoemissive cell. The photoemissive cell converts light energy into electrical energy. Photoemissive cell is filled either with vacuum or gas. Now, a vacuum-filled photoemissive cell is explained. Photoemissive cell consists of an anode and a cathode. Cathode is in the form of bent sheet of a thin metal which is coated with a photoemissive material. Commonly used photoemissive material is the mixture of cesium and antimony. Anode is a thin wire placed adjacently to the cathode. Both the electrodes are placed in an evacuated glass enclosure. The circuit for the photoemissive cell is explained here. The incident light is made to fall on the cathode. The cathode emits electrons as soon as the light radiations fall on it. Battery supply is given between the cathode and anode so that the anode attracts the negatively charged electrons. Electric current is now established in the circuit. This electric current is measured using a microammeter. This current is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light. The current obtained is of a smaller range, which is the biggest drawback. Photoemissive cells are used in photography and other photometric applications. Thus, you have learnt about the working of photoemissive cell.